Hello guys, so today I am here with another video in the series on Python Pandas programming. Today we will capture records from a CSV file, and then based on the records we will do a grouping. Grouping is nothing but a sort of classification of the records based on their attributes. So we could have attributes like cities, countries, temperature, some kind of monthly records, financial statistics, sales, purchase, invoice details, maximum averages. So all those classifications we cover in grouping, and Python pandas provide various means to do this classification. So let's get started. Uh, Let me first show you the code. So we import the pandas library. Just ignore the text highlighting setting that needs some refinement. We use the statement import pandas as pd, then we use df equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and then we pass the file name with the full path. Then we print the data frame defined captured in df. After that we do a grouping. So we have different grouping. I will just show you the csv file. So let me just open it. Okay, so I have just made a file. The data I got was not in this format, but I had to reformat it in a certain way. So we have list of countries and their Olympic medals since 2008 to 2020. So we have countries US, China, Great Britain, Russia, Germany, and a few more. So their medal count, total medal count is captured from 2008 to 2020. And then we will do some grouping and some other operations on this. So we copy this code to pycharm. Okay, so you can see import pandas as pd statement is here. Then we read the csv file, and then we perform other operations. So first of all, like I have commented one of the operation, then what we do, we group by year. So let's execute this. Okay, so here are the results. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is the complete listing. As we can see in the csv file, and then we get the results here. So we have year wise different data for different countries. So we have like US winning 112 medals in 2008, China having 100, GB having 47, Italy having 27. Then for the year 2012, so here you can get a better idea in this way. Maybe we can improve the formatting a bit. Okay, anyways, that we can take care of. So then year 2016 and 2020, you can get different data here. Now suppose we want to have a grouping on the year. So we will clear this one. Now let's to print that also. We will uncomment this one. So here let's do, and then we'll just copy this code for countries as well. For here we will country. So I have used country C in caps because you can see here C is in caps. We will make suitable changes. Okay, so let's execute this. Okay, so here we get country wise for Australia for each year 2008, 12, 16, 20. So in 2008 they won 46, 2016 29, and then for the rest of the years, similarly we have for China who won the maximum count in 2008, and we have 2012, 16, 20. Similarly for France and Germany, GB, Italy, Japan, Russia, South Korea down till United States. And then we get the grouping based on the year. So this was a simple run. There is one more thing that we can do. We can get details for a particular country here. Let's see how this works. G.get underscore group. Let's execute this one. Okay, let's see what results we are getting. I think we need to check something. Get underscore group. France. Think we can. Do we need to print? Let me see. Okay, let's try this out. Maybe we can comment a few others. Okay, I think it gives us for the France because let's see. Okay, sure. So here we get count specific for the country France, and there is also provision for getting the mean. Let's see what it gives. Okay, I think for getting the mean we need to do something more. Okay, we just get the object name, but we are not getting the mean. So maybe we need to check a little g dot mean. Okay, like this. Okay, I think we need to be a bit specific because it provides a mean for the years also. So maybe we just need to specify the mean for the number of medal counts. So we get for Australia, it's like 31.75. Just need to validate. Okay, so okay, looks fine. Of course, we need to use a calculator to have the exact count. China, it's 86.50. So if we see China had 100, 88, 70, and 88. So the mean drops because due to this 2016 year. So we can do such kind of calculations here. For US, it's 112.50. So some years it has got more medals, like in 2016, 121 medals. Then the mean is okay because 2 years it has 113. We can have some other functions as well. Then we have a describe function. So it will give a lot of information. Of course, we need to maybe modify the data in certain way. So here is the describe. So it gives mean, standard deviation, minimum, and the it's it gives the 25%, 50, and 70%. So the percentile count, the count in 25 percentile, 50, 75, and the max. So like Australia is having a max of 46, China 100, United States 129, the 75 percentile is 115. Suppose if we want to see for Italy, its 75 percentile is 31.00 and standard deviation is 5.163. I think standard deviation is in the whole set. We can this just for the whole data set. We can modify it and then we can do other operations. Of course, we can have a bigger or more detailed data set where we have the breakup maybe for the gold, silver, bronze, and some other countries, or we can even have a check against the different venues and calculate mean and other uh, statistical observations. So this was kind of an overview. We can, of course, we will do with other data sets. We will do further checks on this. But as of now, this